How to convert a UTC datetime to a local datetime using only standard library? I have a Python datetime instance that was created using datetime.utnow and persisted in database. For display, I would like to convert the datetime instance retrieved from the database to local datetime using the default local time zone, i.e., as if the datetime was created using datetime.now. How can I convert the UTC datetime to a local datetime using only Python standard library, for example, no python dependency? It seems one solution would be to use datetime.timezone tz, but how would you get the default local time zone?
I think I figured it out. Computes number of seconds since epoch, then converts to a local time zone using time.localtime, and then converts the time struct back into a datetime. It applies the summer/winter DST correctly.
In Python 3.3+. In Python 2/3. Using pyths, both Python 2/3. Example. Output. Note, it takes into account DST and the recent change of UTC offset for MSK timezone. I don't know whether non-Python solutions work on Windows.
Since Python 3.9 you can use the zoneinfo module. First let's get that time with UTNOW. Then create the time zones. Then convert. To convert between time zones, the datetime must know what time zone it is in, then we just use as time zone. For Python 3.6 to 3.8 you need the backports.zoneinfo module. The rest is the same. For versions earlier than that need pyths or dateutil. Dateutil works similar to zoneinfo. Pyths has a different interface which is a result of Python's time zone handling not handling ambiguous times.
Python 3.9 adds the zoneinfo module, so now it can be done as follows: stlib only. Central Europe is 1 or 2 hours ahead of UTC, so local_aware is. as str. Windows has no system time zone database, so here an extra package is needed. There is a backport to allow use in Python 3.6 to 3.8. Then,